Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Easy here. So I'm going to do a fast video showing you about the thumbsticks from eXtremerate. These are the see-through ones. These are the thumb gear V3s. Right here, sorry about that if I have a completely another view. But let's just move the keyboard out the way real quick so we can demonstrate the test for everything. So let's just move that out the way. Okay, so I do got my harness on my Pocket 3 on my chest, so you can see more hands-on and what I'm doing right here. So we're gonna open this up right here. Everybody needs one of these. I'm telling you guys, buy one of these. It's handy. Let's just open this up. Calibrate that down to 0, 0. So this is what I was basically telling you about these thumbsticks right here. How they're actually a little bit thicker compared towards the ROG Ally X thumbsticks right now. So let's just take some of these out of the box, which I already tested these out already. I just want to show you guys the difference on towards the sizes. So let's just open this up real quick. What we're gonna do is take this thumbstick and we're gonna just relax it right in the middle of it. So as you can see right there, 9.8. I'm just going to push it down a little and squeeze it. So you can see the size right there, 9.8 for this one. This one right here is 9.7. So you can see it's different sizes to each thumbstick. Let's move this right here. Let's go towards that one again. And as you can see the thickness on it, so each one of these have a different size towards it, as you can see right there. Push it in. This is 9.8 for this size. This one is 9.7 for the purple ones right here. So let's go to the original PlayStation 5 controller on thumbsticks. So we're just gonna put it here, right here. The PlayStation 5 thumbsticks is 9.7. These are the eXtremerate see-through blue ones. As you can see right here, this is 9.7. So you see the size with that. Sorry about that. Somebody is in the back of my staircase. So these right here are from my GameSeer GA Galileos. So if you put it here, you see the size right here is 8.3. Right there. This is original PS5. This one right here is actually from my Scuff Envision Pro. Get that over here. That's not the right size. Sorry about that, guys. Get that in here. So you can see that one right there is about 10 inches. That's the lower version. This is not the high-rise one, but this is the lower one. As you can see right there, put it right there. Let it go. 10 right here. So these are the removable ones right here. So let's just pop this right there. As you can see right there, 8.3 right there. And these are the ones right here I actually love, which is these right here. So to just show you the thickness towards these. These are the ones that I'm going to be reviewing on ROG Ally X right there. As you can see right here, it's 9.6. And that's for these right here. And now here's the thumbstick on the gears right here. So these are the thumb gear V3s. And as you can see how thick these are compared towards it. So this is 9.8 for the V3s. The original ones right here is 6. As you can see, the size is a little bit smaller, so it's better calibration with these compared towards the V3s. Now this is the ones how it look with the standard ROG Ally X's. So as you can see, these are the X's because it has the screw right there. So I'll pop it right in here. Set it right there. 8.7, as you can see right here. So that's why I said these thumbsticks right here is too thick, and it's hard. When you do the calibration, you're not going to be accurate with everything. It's better to get these thumbsticks right here, which these is just the regular thumb gears meant for the PlayStation 4, and it's a little bit thinner compared towards these right here. As you can see right here, 9.8. And this one right here, 9.6. Have a better chance with these right here. All right, guys. Make sure you get yourself one of these rulers right here, digital rulers right here, because it does do wonders. All right, guys. I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. One.